You people might have eaten many simple dum aloo dishes, but this dish made with coriander tastes extremely different and looks appetizing in every manner. And this colorful, tasty and tangy dish which also makes an interesting evening snacks or a finger food at any home party. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin to this delicious dry coriander dum aloo. And the ingredients are boiled baby potatoes. With that, 2 red chili whole, black pepper whole, bay leaves, green chilies, garlic cloves, salt, coriander seed, as well as coriander leaves. Now let us begin the recipe. For that, first of all, take the baby potatoes and with the help of a knife cut it into small pieces. You can make it 4 or 2, it depends upon your choice. Once it is done, then we need to place it into the hot oil. For that, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up, then add this boiled aloo. After that, add salt 1/4 teaspoon and fry it in a medium high flame until it is golden and crispy from all the sides. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes. As this recipe is very easy to make and cooks in no time, due to coriander leaves and the use of fewer spices, it becomes more beneficial for the health. Now our potatoes are done. Remove it from the pan. On the other side, in a mixer grinder, we will make a paste. For that, add 2 green chilies and 6 to 8 garlic pods. With that, a handful of coriander leaves. Then, with the help of this mixer grinder, make a fine paste. If needed, you can also add 1 teaspoon of water. After that, we will add this prepared paste into the pan. For that, in a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, and once the oil heat up, then drop in this paste. Quickly stir it well in a medium-high flame until it turns dry. On the other side, we will make a fine powder. For that, in a dry pan, add 2 red chili whole, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 4 to 5 black pepper whole, and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Dry roast it for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns light brown. Then, with the help of a mixer grinder, make a fine powder. Now, after stirring it for some time, you will see the masala dried out. At this point of time, add salt as per your taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of the roasted masala which you have done just now. Quickly mix everything well. Then add our fried potatoes. After adding the fried potatoes, again stir everything well so the masala well coated with the potatoes. Then reduce the flame to low and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes so the masala penetrate inside the potatoes and give a good taste. Finally, give a good stir. Then serve it in a serving bowl. Sprinkle some more coriander leaves from above the roasted masala and serve it with roti or naan, or you can have this as a party starter too. So if you like today's recipe, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload new recipes you get the notification first. And also don't forget to share it with your friends and family. See you again with another new recipe. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Bye bye.